All right, let's get started. So, welcome everyone today to DIY4Youth's Hackathon Day. Today is January 26th, and we'll be presenting each of our pitches to the judges, and you will receive a marking, which is a feedback sheet where you'll receive a score and also the feedbacks for later. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, we received one submission through the email, and Claire, do you want to share your screen and present your prototype?
Okay.
Yep.
The Northern Green Club by Claire Howe. The Northern Green Club is a student-led group dedicated to promoting environmental awareness, sustainability, and eco-friendly practices in our school and community. Members of the club work together to protect the planet through hands-on activities, education, and advocacy. Key activities: organizing recycling drives for paper, plastic, and electronics, planting trees, hosting workshops, volunteered cleanups, leading upcycle projects, fundraising events, and drink stands, eco camps, and educational lessons. Our goal is to inspire students and the community to adopt sustainable habits, to reduce waste and minimize our carbon footprint, and to protect natural resources and promote biodiversity. Problem statement. What am I trying to solve? Do you ever look out the window in the middle of winter seeing trash outside instead of snow? Our planet offers many beautiful things, and nature gives us most of it. However, beauty dies where pollution lies, and I want to prevent that, at least in our community. What will my solution bring? If all in the Northern Green Club maximize their efforts, we might not be able to bring snow back, but we might minimize the army of trash on the roads, in the air, and in the rivers. Knowing that many care strongly about having a trash-free community, I wanted to start this club so that everyone can have a chance to help clean up North York. Why? When I was little, there wasn't that much trash around. Sadly, nowadays, there's snow, but much, much less than when I was 3. So I decided to try to conserve the planet and maybe the snow. What? The club is basically a group of people that are invited in a Discord group. Then we organize many activities of services that are eco and fundraising. The Discord group has a bot that is ideal for ideas and organizing. To see the code of the Discord bot, click on the link on slide 4. How? The Discord bot helps organizing and giving ideas for how to be more planet friendly every day. A few people host fundraisers like talent shows and lemonade stands. We are also in partnership with Curious Minds Academy, a learning academy owned by Tina Mazahari, my friend. Many of the members might teach at the might teach might might teach how to make some crafts at the academy. Uh, User stories. As a teacher, I want the club to collaborate with classroom activities and school events so that we can promote environmental awareness throughout school. As a student, I want to participate in fun and hands-on activities like planting trees and organizing recycling drives so I can make a tangible impact on the environment. As a student, I want to learn more about sustainability through workshops and events so I can adopt eco-friendly habits in my daily life. As a club member, I want opportunities to work on creative projects like upcycling and DIY crafts so I can explore my artistic side while helping the planet. As a student leader, I want to organize and manage events so that I can develop leadership and teamwork skills. As a club member, I want to have a website that shows all of the events that will happen. I didn't save the website, so I can't show you guys. As a parent, I want my child to participate in the Green Club so they can learn about sustainability and become more responsible citizens. As an instrument player, I want to have the chance of performing while fundraising for the planet. Demo. Here's a demo of how my bot works. So the bot, Super Green Bot, has many functions, like these kind of functions. But the main function, I think it's the main function, is the ask function. So you can ask the bot anything unless it doesn't make sense, and the bot will answer unless it's not online. So here I asked, how can I help my plants grow? And this is its answer. This is the business plan. Market analysis. The Green Club primarily serves students, teachers, and families within our school and local community who are passionate about environmental sustainability or interested in learning how to adopt eco-friendly habits. The demand for such initiatives is growing as people become more aware of issues like climate change, pollution, and waste management. Our target audience includes neighbors, teachers, families, and kids, and some people that want to show off their talents at a talent show. We aim to inspire our school community to embrace, wait, what? We aim to inspire our school community to embrace sustainable practices through engaging events, campaigns, and volunteer opportunities. Marketing and sales strategy. The primary target audience for the Green Club includes students, teachers, and parents within the school and local communities who are passionate about sustainability. Students, especially those in middle school and high school, are increasingly aware of environmental issues like climate change and waste management and are looking for ways to get involved in positive change. Teachers and school staff are often supportive of eco-friendly initiatives and are eager to integrate environmental education into their lessons. Parents, too, are looking for opportunities for their children to participate in community-driven efforts that promote environmental responsibility. Hmm? Operational plan. Our Green Club's operational plan focuses on organizing activities, delegating responsibilities, and ensuring the smooth execution of our goals. Meetings will be held bi-weekly to plan and review our projects, with roles assigned to members such as event coordinators, treasurers, and social media managers. Key activities include organizing recycling drives, maintaining school gardens, hosting workshops, and leading community cleanup events. A website that I did not finish building yet, with a detailed calendar, will outline upcoming projects and deadlines. While the project will be tracked using a shared task list, well, we'll collaborate with many volunteers from the neighborhood too. On weekends, the whole day is available for events, but on weekdays that are not in summer, we have a time limit of 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. By staying organized and efficient, we aim to maximize our impact and to create a greener community. Financial plan. Our Green Club's financial plan is designed to ensure that we have the resources to support our activities and achieve our goals. We will generate income through fundraising events like hosting bake sales, drink stands, and eco-friendly fairs, alongside offering small membership fees and talent shows. 75% of the money raised will be saved for the club, 10% will be split to the members who hosted the activity, and the rest will be donated to eco-supporting companies or hospitals or wherever it is needed. But it might also go into the club saving in case it is going bankrupt. Additionally, we will also seek sponsorship from eco-friendly companies and apply for grants to fund environmental projects. Our primary expenses will include supplies for gardening and upcycling, materials for workshops and events, for posters and advertising, some materials for lessons, and transportation for trips. Conclusion. In conclusion, by the Green Club aims the goal of the Green Club is to protect the planet and ensure a sustainable future. By reducing waste, conserving natural resources, and lowering greenhouse gas emissions, we can significantly mitigate the impact of human activities on the environment. This effort is not just about managing trash, it's about taking responsibility for the world we share and creating better tomorrow for the future generation. The making of this club is a priority in our homes, schools, and communities. Together, we can collectively make a meaningful difference, and we have the power to build a cleaner, greener, and healthier planet one step at a time. Finished. Thank you for listening. We hope the environment will be trash free one day.
Wonderful job. Legend, do we have David's presentation?
He left, or give me 1 sec. I think he'll submit it soon.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, okay. By the way, Claire, that presentation was great, and thanks for presenting. Okay, so Claire will now give you a brief overview of the things you exceeded on and also the space for improvement. We'll also be sending the feedback sheet later on. So right now it's just a summary of how you did and what you did great, and some space for improvement. Okay, so Evan, do you want to start in the first section? There will be three parts. The first part will be prototype. Second part will be your business plan and user story, and the last part will be overall presentation. That's the three area that will be judged. Go ahead, Evan.
Okay, so a very good job. I will be talking more about the bot than others. Okay, so the bot idea is amazing, and I really like the reasons and inspirations you did to create the bot. And some things that you could touch on are the explanation. According to your explanation, the bot may answer questions that aren't actually related to helping the environment. According to how you said it, if you were to ask the bot to write like a poem, it might give you a poem instead of saying, "Oh, this bot is made for answering questions related to environment." And something you should also explain is how this bot can be different from just asking ChatGPT. Maybe the bot is a gamified system to give higher engagement with the user, like adding streaks of how many times you water your plants, or a good checklist each day to show how well you've taken care of the environment. Just making these small adjustments can really improve your bot. But overall, amazing idea, and I really like your prototype.
Okay, so for the same section, I'll give you a few advice as well, but first of all, to start, overall, your presentation looks amazing. Your bot's very well developed. I see you put a valid name and a good profile picture of your bot that relates to your topic, and the reasoning and inspiration toward creating this project is very valid and very reasonable because because you know that this challenge is affecting climate change and you want to solve it. So in that part, it's amazing. And also, I like how the solution explanation is very detailed and specific. And furthermore, a demonstration of your prototype can be further implemented into your presentation, like show how your bot works, try typing the commands, asking a question or something like that. Do you help the audience have a better understanding of your bot or of your prototype? And also, your bot can be more customized. It's more leans toward the topic and more about the environment rather than just one ask command. You can probably ask advice command that gives you advice on what actions you can take to improve the environment rather than just a vague command like ask. So this meaning that you should stick more related to the environment rather than just a regular bot. So overall, amazing job.
Yeah, I agree with that. I'm gonna give you very brief feedback on your business plan. One is great identification of your target market. This really exceeded my expectations, and it was super thorough. I think you can make your target market a little bit more specific. So you're getting at this throughout your presentation. I think the aspects including volunteer opportunities seem to apply to students the most specifically. I also really love that you identified different roles for members within your operational plan. And the specificity, like the 15% goes to whatever group, 75% goes to this group within your financial plan is really, really wonderful. Last thing, as just like a very small next step, try to connect some of your content in the operational slash business plans back to the bot specifically. It seems to have a central role within your pitch. And so just explain what its central role is within your club and how it applies within your business. I can also start off the presentation impressions aspect and then legend if you want to add on to that. But overall, really, really great business plan. Okay, so for your presentation, this is like your presentation skills, first impressions, right? You had a really, really great, exciting tone, drew me in the entire time, and the green theme, as well as the slides, the visuals were great. It aligned well with the eco-friendliness of your project. As the next step, I'd recommend just a little bit less text on the screen. We're always here to like hear you speak, so you're the main presentation. All of your words are going to be the main source of information that we're listening for. These slides are always just a visual aid, a little add-on for you to present. But yeah, overall, again, wonderful job.
Okay, I'll add on to Sophie. So you have a very good intro and fluent presentation. You've delivered all your information effectively, and all the components are included, explained the role. So, similar to what Sophie had said, instead of big paragraphs of text, you can try to use less text, maybe use dot dots or bullet points instead to highlight the key points. And instead of just writing a whole paragraph on there like an essay, it will be easier for the audience to read if you use less text and small statements like dot dots and bullet points. So that's probably the only thing. And overall, all your information were well developed, well delivered. Good, great job. So the score sheet will be sent later with more detailed feedbacks. And yeah, overall, good job.
Should we give it a few minutes to see if David's gonna come back, and then otherwise we'll end it? Oh wait, perfect timing. David, are you ready to present?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Do you want to just share the screen and then?
Oh, wait, should I like share it myself?
You can just share your screen.
Okay. Okay, table of contents. So first I'll go over the problem I'm trying to solve. Then I'll talk about the impact, the solution, and demo and business plan. So problem statement. Well, people often feel stressed because of things like work, relationships, or personal problems, but not everyone can see a therapist easily due to high costs, long wait times, or lack of therapists nearby. Some may feel also embarrassed about asking for help. These challenges make it harder for people to manage stress and get the support they need. Number two, impact. Chatbots as therapists offer quick, accessible support, giving users a safe and anonymous space to manage stress, anxiety, and other emotions. They provide immediate responses and helpful techniques, while making it easier for people to get support when they need it. While chatbots can't replace human therapists due to their inability to understand emotions, they can be a useful first step or supplement to traditional therapy. Number three, solution. Why? Why I thought of using chatbots? Well, using chatbots to comfort people is effective because they can pull out their phone or device and be calmed down anywhere. They don't have to drive to a therapist or anywhere. What I made a Discord bot. I basically just made a Discord bot that can go in servers or direct messages that talks to you. How? With guidance from teachers, I used Replit to make a code that makes a Discord bot respond after you send it a message. Demo and business plan. Okay, demo. Well, I would show you a demo, but like, um, for some reason, Replit doesn't allow me. It says you have 20 hours to code using the free plan, and I used all 20 hours, so I can't show you the demo. Well, business plan. Basically, this is my business plan. My business name is Mindcare, and the concept is having a personal therapist in your pocket anytime. The goal is to let people all over the world let out their stress in a free and easy way by talking to a chatbot. It's a simple and effective way to make people feel better. Chatbots are more accessible than in-person therapists because you can open them on a phone anytime, but you have to drive to in-person therapists. Well, I'm pretty sure it would be in the health and wellness industry because mental health is also a type of health. Products, the product, I mean, the service I am selling is a chatbot that you can put into a Discord that acts like a therapist. The target market is anyone who that is going through a hard time. This can be students with a lot of homework, people who lost someone close, and etc. Market needs. Therapy is usually $60 to $250 an hour, and that is not cheap. Using chatbots is more affordable because it doesn't require labor like therapists do, if that makes sense. Market trends. Gen Alpha and future generations will be more open to using AI and chatbots because they are more experienced with technology, and it will be easier to use for sci people because they it's harder for them to communicate with people in real life. Competitive analysis. Some competitors can include therapists and other AI chat models. Since MindCare chatbots can be accessed basically anywhere and you have to drive to therapists, it would be better than the in-person therapists. Marketing plan. Well, I plan on well this is made up, right? So I'm just gonna this is made up. I'm planning to put ads on websites and YouTube. I'm planning on making it a subscription plan. Production. It will be coded by people, I guess. Management team, coders and advertisers. Operation workflow. Platform maintenance. Regularly updating the chatbot/app with new features, bug fixes, and content. Setup costs. Hiring coders and making advertisements. Revenue model. The business will make money through a subscription plan from the chatbot. Financial projections. I mean, like these are all made up. Total subscription revenue around $60,000. Total expensive $30,000. Yeah, that's it.
All right, great job. Thank you so much. We'll start feedback. Legend, do you want to start with prototype?
Yep. So First of all, the reasons behind your project is very well explained, and you have given multiple reasons that why your prototypes can be used for others. You've told us all your steps you've considered from your first idea into why you created the bot and the things you've done to create it. However, more details about specific function of your bot can be included in your presentation, such as talking about your commands like the ask command, the hello command, something about your bot that can be more detailed about. So right now you're only giving more a rather vague idea of what your topic gonna be and less details on what your bot will exactly do. So that's something you can improve on to put more details about your actual product and prototype. Yeah, overall great job.
Okay, so I'll just take on from Legend. So about the um prototype, I feel like you provided very good reasons to choose why you should use chatbots, and it's very good as you explain why you should get this product in the first place. Your reasons are very true and logical, as it's way faster. You can just pull out your phone. Um, and your reasons are but sometimes something you should try to do next time is to calculate the subscription and cost instead of making them up, as it's more accurate and actually can give more proof. Because if you were to say to the audience, "Oh, I made this up," it's not very appealing. If you were to actually calculate, let's say for API tokens, because they cost money, right? They're not just free, and the amount of money you're going to make because of like your pricing, it can really prove to your audience that this product is successful. Also something you could also try to do, same with Claire, is to add some features and prove why your prototype is better than other competitors. Something that can be done is just use ChatGPT and ask, "Oh, what should I do? I'm not feeling the best." And yeah, so overall, very good project, and something I feel like you can improve on next time is to add a bit more features and use real calculations. Yeah, overall, good job though.
Okay, great. I'll talk a little bit about your business plan. First things first, introduce your business name first, like at the very, very top of your presentation. But I really love the name. I feel like it fits your bot really well. So just take it out of the business plan, put it at the top of your presentation. Second thing is your unique value proposition is really great. I love that you make it really, really clear that accessibility is central to your whole project. The only other thing is to compare yourself to online therapists as well. So there's already online apps out there like BetterHelp or sites that let you do things like a video call with a human therapist, for example. So make your UVP more specific to the chatbot aspect to show why you beat out not only in-person therapists, who I know are really expensive, but also those online therapists. Make it more specific to like being able to talk to a bot and that being a little bit less anxiety inducing. Finally, just your identification of your target audience. So younger people, Gen Alpha, people with anxiety about therapy. That's really amazing. Um, I'll also just mention your presentation impression really quickly, and then Legend, you can take over. So first things first, really great visuals. It looks clean. As a next step, I'd recommend a little bit less text on the screen. So same as Claire, we're here to hear you speak. And so try not to read off the screen exactly. The slide's just a visual there. You're the main presentation, right? And so you'll also sound more confident when you're able to speak more freely. But overall, really great work. Love the theme of it. Legend, do you want to take over?
Yep. Okay, furthermore, we're going to talk about a bit more presentation impression. So your slides look very clean and organized, which is very good. And similar to what Sophie said, please include a title page on your project is related, so the audience will know what your presentation is about and what your project name is actually is. So also, the amount of text can be reduced to give the audience better understanding. Dot jots, like bullet points, are more effective than a paragraph, and that will be easier to deliver your message. So Also, last but not least, your presentation can delivered with more confidence and fluency, as it will boost your presentation impression. And overall, your presentation is very good, and your topic is very valid and solid. Great job. All right, I think that's it. So we will be passing on the feedback sheets to you after the session had ended, so you can take a better look on your feedback and what you did well on. So yeah, good job for your hard work and completion of the Novice division.
Congrats, guys. Thank you so much for your wonderful presentation. If you have any questions, stay back, but otherwise, you're free to go. Bye-bye.
Yes, Claire, do you have a question?
You said in the business plan there's a financial something, financial strategy or whatever it was called. Uh, I mean, like in both of our presentations, we both included the financial plan, but I'm just curious, what is the financial plan for DIY for Youth? Because you always on all the announcement it says DIY for Youth is a non-profit. So
Yeah, so that's a really great question, actually. So we operate as a nonprofit, meaning that like none of us take home any of our profits, which means that because our costs are so low from just running these meetings online, for most of them, we're able to charge no money at all. If you remember way back in like March, we ran an in-person hackathon. That one cost us a little bit more. And so sometimes we'll take donations that go into our nonprofit operations. Sometimes we'll charge a very, very low entry fee that lets us pay for things like the venue and also the API keys that we provide.
fine.